It's story time.
Blah, 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 blah.
Hello children, today I'm going to read Wild and Wacky Animals book. This is a touch and feel book. This book is written by Miranda Walker and illustrated by Rachael McLean. Come over, Proud Flamingo says. We can play together. We can stand on one leg too and feel my lovely feathers. Ruffle. This lucky fish loves living deep beneath the ocean blue. She says, dive in and swim with me. I'd like to play with you. Gulp, gulp. Deep within the rainforest, an elephant spends the day, squirting water from her trunk for some splishy splash play. Splish, splash. How nice of you to visit me, Croc says with a little grin. Can you feel all the ridges in my tough crocodile skin? Snap, snap. Paddling in mud makes an enormous, delightful mess. It is the best thing in the world, says the hippopotamus. Squash, spat.